Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have the most adorable Father's Day card for you. It looks like a little shirt, and when you open it up, you see a personalized picture of you wishing your dad a happy Father's Day. Does it get any cuter than this? Now, this idea came from Hello Wonderful, which is a great little website, and also the tips on how to fold and make it came from the Origami Resource Center, and I have links to both of those below. But I'm going to show you how to make these cute little shirts right now. For this project, you will need scrapbook paper, scissors, contrasting paper, buttons or other embellishments, photo or computer-generated note, glue stick, ruler, pen, and if using embellishments, a glue gun. Take your picture or your note or whatever you want and make sure that it's 3.5 by 4.5 inches. And you're going to cut that out so that you have it nice and ready so that it looks like that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your scrapbook paper and you are going to cut it so that it is 8.5 inches wide by the length of a piece of scrapbook paper. So this is 12 inches, but I want it to be 8.5 inches wide. So in this case, I would cut right here along this yellow line, and I end up with a piece that is 8.5 inches wide and 12 inches long. Now, understand that you can do this with a regular piece of paper. It's going to end up looking something like this. But if you do this, you're going to need to make your little picture a little bit shorter. You're just going to need to measure this size for your picture. Just know that. But it can be done if you don't have scrapbook paper. So first thing we're going to do is take our paper and turn it over and fold it in half all the way. And you want to just try to make sure you get those edges lined up. Then open up your paper and fold this end into the fold line in the center. Flip it around and do the same thing on the other side. So they meet in the center. Next thing you're going to want to do is take your ruler and measure down 5 inches. And just do a little teeny tiny dot. So you know where the 5 inches is. And then you're going to fold like a triangle from that corner to the outer corner, almost like you're making a kite. And then you don't really need to put it on the other side because you're just going to match and fold it out. So it kind of looks like a shirt right there. See that? Like a shirt. Now, flip the whole thing over. And now you can see those are your arms, right? Pretty cool, huh? Here's what you want to do. Fold up 1.5 inches. Again, you can make a little mark on the back side. So fold up 1.5 inches on the back side, and then fold this edge back to the folded edge. This is called a valley fold. Now, flip this over. Now we're going to make the little collar part. And to do this, all we're going to do is, once again, measure with our ruler 1 inch, make a little mark, take this corner and fold it to that little mark. And we're going to do it on the same thing on the other side. Fold this corner to that little mark. See that? That is the top of your collar. Now fold this in half and fold up the end with the 2 wings so that it tucks underneath those little flaps. And there's your shirt. Now at this point, you can embellish with buttons, like I did here, or you can make a little tie, like I did here. And I'm going to show you how to make the tie right now. So we're just going to take some paper, and using my ruler, I'm going to measure up let's see. If we want a short tie, we would do 4 inches. So let's say 4 inches here. Just going to measure that, and I'm going to make it an inch wide. I'm just going to cut a nice little rectangle, 1 inch by 5 inches. And I don't have to do any more cutting now. Fold this in half, just like we did the shirt. Fold it in half, open it up, take this corner and fold it right to the center where you folded it over. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Fold that corner up to the center. And that's making the bottom of the tie. See? Now, up here, what we're going to do is we're just going to take this corner and this corner, and we are going to fold it in to make a gentle slope in. See that? I just folded it gently in, taking this tiny corner here just about 1/2 inch in. Right like that. And just folding it down. This is going to make your tie shape. See? And then you can take your glue stick, and you're going to make one. I'm going to sing a little bit there for you. Gonna want to make sure that you glue underneath as well. So I'm going to clean there, and I'm going to clean there, right on down so that those stay. And now I'm just going to add some more glue. And then I can place this right on my shirt, right there at the collar line. And make sure you don't put it on the collar, but on the collar line. Now the only step that's left here is to open this up and put in my special note. Now don't feel like you have to print this on the computer. It's totally fine if you just put another piece of paper in here and write a fun note to your dad. That's fine too. But I'm going to place it right here, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. And so I don't get glue on my yellow fabric, I'm just going to use this as my backer. Make sure you use your glue stick very amply here. You want to make sure that you use lots and lots of glue stick. What's great about this glue stick is it does dry clear, but what's fabulous about it is that the purple, you can see the purple so you know what you glued and where you glued it. So now I can just place that right in the center there. And see, even though I got a little glue here, this will dry clear, so don't worry about that. There you go. And then just close her up. And there you have this fantastically adorable Father's Day card. And there you have it, your very own personalized Father's Day card, which is going to mean a lot to your father. Now, big shout out to Hello Wonderful and Origami Resource Center for all the help that they gave me in creating this video. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com. And remember, have a great Father's Day. Hug your father.